Ina. Hello, Inay. I love you, Inay. I love you.
Ano sa ilalim mga anak?
I love you, Inay. I love you, Inay. I love you. Good night. Sweet dreams. See you tomorrow. I will take good care of you to the best I can. Love you, Nay ko. Love you, Mami ko. Isa pa. Love you, Nay. I love you,